All the microcontrollers you should know about. Ranked. This is gonna get deep. Quick disclaimer. This is all based on my opinion. You may disagree. If you disagree, then you should comment below. I'm gonna make a video talking about your guys' opinions. To start out, we have the ESP32. It's the go-to microcontroller. If you can only buy one microcontroller, this is it. 240 MHz CPU, 4 MB of flash, and half a megabyte of RAM on the cheaper modules. This is worth it. Easy S tier. Next, we have the Arduino Uno. It's the classic microcontroller. Overpriced, very bad 16 MHz CPU, barely any RAM and flash. The only reason, in my opinion, this board is still around is for this cheap, old 2012 tutorials. Solid D tier. Next, we have the STM32. It's the go-to board where performance is not really required, but you need reliability. The STM32 is baked into commercial systems. It's one of the most popular microcontrollers. Open up a random device with a microcontroller, like your laptop, and there's a high chance you'll find the STM32 inside. Solid A tier. Next, we have the Raspberry Pi Pico boards. Overpriced a little bit, but they're good for the price. Solid A tier. Next, we have the C Studio boards. Honestly, these boards are underrated, but they're good for projects requiring a small microcontroller. Solid B or C tier. Next, we have the Teensy boards. Niche, overpriced, more performance than you'll probably ever need, but because of the smaller community, I'll give it a C. Next, we have the ESP32 cams. One of the most, in my opinion, best valued boards. It has a camera, micro SD card slot for all around $7 to $8, and you can replace the camera with a more higher quality one if you want. The only problem is a very limited GPU, and it uses it's hard to power and it's hard to program. Solid B tier. Next, we have the ESP32A26, ESP8266. Why is this board even around today? It was released in 2015, and it should go back to 2015. For the same or more price, the ESP32 has half the RAM, half the flash, half the CPU performance. Solid F tier. And lastly, we have the Arduino Uno, Nano. Same problems with the Uno, except it's a more convenient form factor, but you cannot shield. Same problems. I'll give it also a C, just because it's smaller. And this wraps up the tier list. If you have a different opinion, comment down below so I can have it featured in my video that I'm gonna do later. Please subscribe and like if this video helped you or entertained you. Have a good day.